A lot of people ask me this in Shinjuku. How do I get to Ginza? It should simple, but it's actually easy to get lost here. So today, I'll show you exactly how to get there. Hi, I'm Nobuko. I'll show you two ways, from Kabukicho and from JR Shinjuku Station. Let's start from Kabukicho. With the Godzilla head behind you, cross the big intersection. Then just walk straight down this pedestrian street. Turn left at the first corner. And after a short walk, you'll see the sign for the subway. Just remember this red circle sign. Go down these stairs. After that, just follow the red circle subway signs. I just noticed there's actually an elevator here too if you have luggage. Let's take a quick look. You come out right in front of the east exit. Alright, let's get on the Marunouchi Line. You'll want platform 2 for the Marunouchi Line. After about 15 minutes, you'll arrive in Ginza. Next, I'll show you how to transfer from JR Shinjuku Station. You can use most ticket gates, but the east gate is the easiest. So, let's start from the east gate. After exiting the east gate, turn right first. Then turn left right away and go straight. Go down the stairs and after a short walk, turn right. From there, just follow the red circle subway signs to the Marunouchi Line. Now you are at the ticket gate for the Marunouchi subway line. That's how you get there. See you next time. Bye bye. Matane.